The elevation at the summit of Mount Whitney is 4,418 meters above sea level. Climbers begin at a trailhead that has an elevation of 2,550 meters above sea level. What is the change in elevation to the nearest foot between the trailhead and the summit? And there's an additional information that 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 meters. So we have to convert meters to foot. So first we have a trailhead, and then we have the summit, which is on the top of the Mount Whitney, and that's 4,418 meters. So first we have to find the difference between the meters, the highest number minus the lowest number. So 4,418 minus 2,550. 8 minus 0 is 8. 5 is greater than 1, so we need 1 from this 4, and the 4 becomes 3. 11 minus 5 is 6. Now 3 is smaller than 5, so we need another 1. This 4 becomes 3, and 3 becomes 13. 13 minus 5 is 8, and 3 minus 1 is 1. So this change in elevation between the trailhead and the summit is 1,868 meters. And remember that we have to convert it to foot. So for that, we know that 1 foot is equal to 0.3048 meters. And the meters on the denominator because we have to cancel out the meters. Now we multiply 1,868 times 1 divided by 0.3048, and this is equal to 6,128.60. Now since the tenths is 6 and is greater than 5, we can round it. The number rounded is 6,129 feet. The right answer is C. Number 18. We have these two equations, 3x minus 2y equal to 15 and x is equal to 3. The two lines given by the equations above intersect in the xy plane. What is the value of the y coordinate of the point of intersection? So we want to find the value of y. And we know that these two lines intersect. We know that x is equal to 3, so 3 times 3 minus 2y is equal to 15. 3 times 3 is 9. Minus 2y is equal to 15. Now this 2y can go to the other side of the equation with a change sign, and this 15 can come to the left side of the equation with a change sign. 9 minus 15 is equal to positive 2y. 9 minus 15 is negative 6 equal to 2y. Now we divide the equation by 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so y is equal to negative 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the right answer is B. The y coordinate of the point of intersection is negative 3. Number 19. We have three sets, L, M, and N, are shown above. Which of the following sets represents L union of the intersection M and N? First, we have to find what's inside the parentheses, the intersection of M and N. And the intersection means what both sets have in common. In this case, what does M and N have in common? Let's see, 5? No. Both have 10? Yes. 15? No. 20? Yes, both have 20. What about 25? No. And therefore 30, 40, and 50 are not in set M. So we just found that the intersection of sets M and N is 10 and 20. So the union of the set we just found, the union means that we have to put together all from both sets. So first we have 0, then we have 10, then we have 20, 40, 80, and finally 100. That's it. And as we can see, the right answer is B. Number 20. Triangle PQR lies in the XY plane and the coordinates of the vertex Q are 2, negative 3. Triangle PQR is rotated 180 degrees clockwise about the origin. The origin means that the center or the coordinates 0, 0 for x and y. So this triangle is rotated to around here 180 degrees. If we would say 90 degrees, it could be over here, but that's not the case. And then reflected across the y-axis. Reflected across the y-axis means that the triangle will kind of look in a mirror across the y-axis, so it will move to around that position. And this is a new coordinate for Q. What are those coordinates? If our triangle moves to this position, we know that the values for x and y are positive because it's on the positive side of x and y. If we look at the answer choices, the only coordinates that follow that criteria are 2 and 3. The others have a negative sign or both negative. Therefore, the right answer is D.